as a business owner, when to let go people. You know, this is the hard and sad truth. Some people don't grow in our business or sa buhay natin, hindi talaga lahat nag-i-stay. But of course, as a leader, it's our job to protect our mission and not just our feelings. Nung nagsisimula yung kumpanya, mas nangingibabaw sa akin yung emotions. But habang tumatagal, mas natutunan ko na i-prioritize kung ano talaga yung mas nararapat sa karamihan, ano talaga yung mission ng company, ano talaga yung vision na gusto kong puntahan, rather than focus on feelings. At mas nakaka-apekto kasi pag emotions na, minsan may mga pinapayagan tayong gawin yung ibang tao sa atin na natotolerate natin because of our emotions. And doon natutunan ko yun na ma-manage. Sa ilang taon ko na rin sa negosyo, isa sa mga natutunan ko is letting go makes space for the right people to grow with you. So it's okay to let go. May darating at may darating na tamang tao.